There is no success without education. The poor, the rich, they all need education. Look at the lawyers, doctors, engineers. How do you think they go to that stage? It is through education. There is nowhere to go without education. If you have no education, you may end up being a prostitute, a thief, a switcher. Can you imagine? Once alive, education is the key to a better future.
Poem teachers.
Poem teachers. Oh dear teachers, you could have my youth. Beings of our nation, we obey, we bless, appreciation for you teachers. You could leave the school because of many words. Yes, you did it. You could leave us near bad people. Yes, you did it. Even think about it. Without you teacher, no one should be president, minister, senator, governor, and mayor.
Poem Rwanda, my motherland.
Poem Rwanda, my motherland. Beautiful landscapes, wonderful people, land of high mountains, hills and lakes, plenty of rain, plenty of sunshine. Oh Rwanda, my motherland. Let me take you a tour across the country. Muhabura mountain, I'll track tourists from all over the world. Oh Rwanda, my motherland. Evergreen vegetation, always from animals and birds. Lions, zebra, parrots, monkeys and people.
Poem Farewell, Nyagasambu Vision.
Poem Farewell, Nyagasambu Vision. We came as little dreamers with pencils in our hands. Now we live as proud learners, taking our final stand. Through numbers, stories, songs and praise, Nyagasambu has shown us the way. To our dear classmates, both old and new, we shared laughs, books and friendship too. As we go on, may we never forget the joy and lessons we all have made. To our stellar candidates, you are next in line. Keep your goals high, and soon you will shine. Read with courage, write with pride. Your bright future is on your side. To our dear teachers, our guiding light, you taught us wrong, you taught us right. With patient hearts and wisdom wide, you stood each day by our side. To Nyagasambu Vision, our second home, your halls are where young minds have grown. Your garden are bloomed with hope and grace. Your spirit you shall carry praise to praise. Though we part, we will never say goodbye. For every end, let new dreams fly. We hold and grateful hearts, with best wishes and warm hearts from P6, always Nyagasambu proud.